there, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just gonna look at Apple by GFriend, and the song just came out right now, and just want to show you that how to play this one. Just want to show you two variations how to play. One is the strumming, and another is the finger picking. I can't completely show you guys that like I'm showing you everything, but still I think likely showing you 80% of the song. Guitar elements and all stuff. So let's get started. We have no capo for this song, standard tuning. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask me down in the comment below, and make sure to subscribe. Don't want to say much right now about subscription and all. So let's get started. Just have a look at the chord shapes. We have 4 chords, 1 main chord progression which goes throughout the whole song. So just have a look at the chords, and in a minute I'm just going to show you the chord progression. The first chord is a normal D, which is a mute 0 2 3 2. You play it like this, but what you're gonna do is you're just gonna lift off your middle finger. So now you have mute 0 2 3 open. So it's basically a D sus2, and it's actually using the chord song. Then the next chord is a D7, D dominant 7, which is mute 0 2 1 2. And again you lift off your ring finger right now from the second fret of the high E string. It becomes a mute 0 2 1 0, a D7 sus2. Then we have a A minor mute 0 2 2 1 0, easy chord, and a G 3 2 0 0 0 3. That's it. Alright guys, just have a look at the chord progression. We have a D major, then D7, then a minor, then a G major. Repeat: D major, D7, A minor, and a G. Now have a look at the tab, and I'm just going to show you the finger picking pattern. It's actually based on this chord progression and obviously on this chord. And now we are actually using the sus2 chord, which I just showed you before. So right now we are playing the G major chord like 3 2 open open open. So we are not adding anything on the third fret of the high E string. We're letting the high E string let open. Everything is actually intro is actually played on the electric guitar. It's actually played on the electric guitar with reverb, so it sounds like that. So basically I use my thumb to play the D string, or maybe the bass string, wherever it's actually located. Index finger for the G string, middle finger for the B string, and ring finger for the high E string. And just have a look at the tab. We start off playing the D string open on the D major chord, second fret on the G string, third fret on the B string, then open high E string, third fret on the B string, second fret on the G string, and then I play the D string open again, and I repeat that pattern. So we got. Move on to the next chord, which is a D7, and repeat the exact same pattern. So it's a D7, but again we have the high E string open. We play D, G, B, high E string, G, D, G, B, E, B, G, D, 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 B, E, B, G, D. Move on to the A minor chord. We play the A string at the moment right now. Instead of playing the D string, we play the A string. So open A string, second fret on the G string, first fret on the B string, open E string, first fret on the B string, open G string, second fret on the G string, I'm sorry, then A string open. So everything is there in the chord which you're holding at the moment. So it's that easy. You play that every 2 times for each chord, A minor. And for the G major chord, you do the exact same pattern, but just you play third fret on the E string. So we play E string, then G string, then B string, then high E string, back to B, G, E, and we repeat it for 2 times on the G major chord. Just have a look at my right hand, it goes like that. So it's nice and easy, and let's play it a couple of times. And that's it, and follow the same chord progression, and just have a look at the rhythm. And this is actually down, up, up, down, and this goes once for each chord of the chord progression. So we have down, up, up, down, up, up, down. So down, so play the full D, now play the full chords. G full, D full, D7 full, A minor was full. So down, up, down, up, down. And like you can even just swap and change from that open sus2 note to back to that normal D major chord. So down, up, down, up, down. Play that once for each chord and you're actually done. So just have a look, keep your hand down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So now let's play 1, 2, 3, 4. That's almost everything for this lesson. If this helps you out, make sure to drop me one of these. Subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. So help me reach 2,000 subscribers. Let me know comment below any of the song that you want on guitar. Check out my community tab. Working really hard. 50 videos each week, so that's a great amount, and everything with tabs. So I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.